lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't give me hype.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about these two mascaras that I got from Ulta, and I want to basically do a compare and contrast on which one is good, which one is cute, and like, you know, you guys can vote and decide on which one you like the best. So before we get to this video, subscribe to my channel. You already know what's little on this side. If you're new here, my name is Emmy. I do everything beauty, vlogs, hair. I'm about to get into nails a little bit more. I did these, you know what I'm saying? It was cute. I also do waxing. So if you're into all those things, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for all my videos coming up. And if you've been here since day one, what's good? You already know I've been seeing you. And we're going to get straight into this video. Stay tuned and we're going to see how these two mascaras are giving. Alright, y'all. So let's get right into this video. We are going to compare these two mascaras, and I want to see which one is gonna say, well, which one is which one is gonna do what it says it's gonna do. So we're gonna see. I got these from Ulta in a little sample bag. I never used them. I actually got this since June 2023. I never popped it open, so we're gonna open them. So the first one that I have here is this one. This is by MAC. And this is some magic extension lashes. It's supposed to take your lashes from boom to boom. So we're going to see if it does that. Now, I also have the Lancôme mascara. Is it going to focus? All right, so this is up to 24-hour wear. Like, that would be a separate video. I would really wear this for 24 hours and see if it lasts. Like, but that's another video because I'm taking this off immediately after this video. It's supposed to make your lashes have 12 times more volume. So I'm feeling like both is gonna give me some good volume because I don't have a lot of lashes. Get close so you can see. I don't have a lot of lashes, so hopefully I can get some volume and some volume with these lashes. So let's start with the MAC extension lashes. This is what it looks like. It's cute, right? Look at this cute packaging. Let me show you. Focus. So this is the packaging. It's pretty. Okay. And it's pretty. I like what I like about packaging. I like simple packaging, like glitters and glam and stuff like that. There's nothing wrong with, like, you know, a couple of items being like that, but I really love simple packaging. So we're gonna do this on the left eye, and this is what the brush looks like. The applicator tip. There you go. So this is what the applicator tip looks like for the mascara, for the MAC mascara. And you know, I think it's gonna give something. Let's just get into it. All right, so like already I see some volume, like already. I definitely do see it. Okay. It's giving, you know, it's giving some volume. I really like this. Like, None of my mascaras have ever done this. No funny shit. Like, this is actually fire. Cause like I have little lashes. I don't have much. And it's giving me something. I feel like I don't have to put no lashes on. Cute. All right, so I'm gonna do the bottom lashes, because you know I don't have much bottom lashes either, as you can see. Do you see that? Like, I have lower lashes. I thought I didn't have none. They literally grew overnight. And like, as y'all can see, I literally did not dip that into the product again. Like, this was one go. This is one go of the product. Like, dip it in, take it out, one eye. So, you know, that was fire. So I want you to take a closer look at the results. They're actually really cute. I have a lot of volume. You know, I don't really feel like I need a lash, but if I want to put a lash on, it's gonna still look cute. Like, but the bottom lash especially, like, it's just like, wow. I'm excited to see that, respectfully, because baby, I've never seen that before. All right, so we're gonna do the Lancôme. We're gonna do the Lancôme mascara, and oh, this is cute. Look at the packaging, y'all. Like, can you see? I don't know if you can really see the logo, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It's so simple. Like I told you, I love simple looking cute products. Like, this is mad cute. Like, it's simple and to the point. So let's go on with this one. So this mascara has like a seal. So when I open it up, it has like a, I don't know if you can hear that, but it has some type of seal to make sure that you know it's closed. So this is the applicator tip. This is the applicator tip. So it looks a little different. I'm gonna do a comparison in a moment so you can see how both of the applicator tips look. We're gonna go in with this mascara and we're gonna see what it gives. All right, so this one is cute, but it's not really, to me, it's like giving me some volume. It's giving me volume, but I don't feel like it's upholding to that 12-time volume, unless their volume before was very, very low. And they're making it up for it now, but I never used Lancôme mascara. But I actually do like it over the beauty supply store mascara. I can say that. Then you can't say that. Okay, wait. All right, so I'm getting some volume now. Now I'm seeing where it's popping out. Okay. Okay. It's cute. It's giving volume. It's giving volume. It just looks a little different from the other one. Alright, so I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. Alright, so with this one, I need to get more products. And I don't think it's because of the product. I think it's because of the brush. Okay, it's giving me some good. I like the volume of the lashes on the lower lash line with this one. This one's giving volume, but this one's giving volume. The top lashes is giving more volume to me. I don't know. I like both of them, honestly, but I feel like they both give me volume. So it's like, I don't have any complaints with that. When it comes to which one is better or which one gives more volume, I think this one does. If I squint my eyes, you probably can tell, like, which one is giving more volume. Yeah, I think it's this one. I don't know. I think it's this one, but both of them give volume, honestly. So both of these products are cute. I like them. When these run out, I'm most likely going to buy both of these because I like these products. So why not buy the big one and use it and use it up? But I like these, and I like getting little samples from Ulta or Sephora or travel size items to try it out, and then if I really like it, I get the big sizes. So if you want to see more videos of me trying out small size items and everything, like, let me know so you could get the gist of what it is, and you can decide if you want to get the small one and try for yourself, if you want to get the big one because you already saw it and you're like, all right, that sold me, that got me, I want to get that. You know what I'm saying? So which one is your favorite? Do you like the MAC, which is on this side, or do you like the Lancôme? I hope I'm saying that right, honestly, but do you like that? That's on the right side. Yeah, so let me know which one is your favorite, which one you like, which one you feel like has more volume. Put it on in the comments. Let me know, because I don't know. I feel like this one's giving more volume, but this one is still cute. This one is like, which one do you choose? I still will put a lash on because I'm that person. I'm gonna put a lash on regardless, even if it's a small lash, a little kiss lash, a little, you know, thin strip lash. I'm putting it on. So that's just me. But if I put on a thin strip lash, the volume that it would give with this product, and then maybe you could put some on the false lashes too, that's gonna give, it's gonna give you the look you need. It's gonna give you the look that you need. Exactly. It's gonna give you that. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for my next video, y'all.